How do you test a product with a small budget, spending less than $100? I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step meta ad strategy. So you can literally follow this video and you are good to go. Now I'm offering a couple of spots for a free one-on-one consultation call with me. All you have to do is subscribe, click the link in the description, book a free call with me. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. First and foremost, I want you to understand why most people fail with small budgets, and it is not because of the budget. The reason why a lot of people fail with testing when it comes to small budgets is because they spread it too thin. You're spending it across multiple ad sets with multiple audiences, which means you're starving each ad set and each ad of enough data to mean anything. When spending about $100 or less than $100, you have no room for complexity. You want to keep it simple, one simple campaign aimed at a broad, reasonable audience where every dollar is spent to get the right data that you need to figure out if it's a winner or not. So how do you set up that one simple campaign? This is exactly what you want to do. One single campaign with a single ad set, and you want to use broad targeting. So basically just have no targeting at all. And then you want to make sure creative is the key targeting there. So inside that one ad set, you have multiple different creative concepts rather than having multiple audiences. So this is going to be creatives that target different pockets of audiences that you want to reach. And the reason is, again, because you have a limited budget and your goal is to discover which message resonates the best and converts the best with which audience. So how many creatives do you need? With about $100, you do not need 20 creators. Again, you don't have enough budget. What you need is somewhere around 3 to 5 distinctly different creative concepts. So the algorithm is enough material to identify what is actually working instead of just testing bunch of creators without having enough spend to test it. Once you have that set up, you want to let it run, and this is exactly what you want to look for to figure out if you want to keep continuing with this or not, and if you should kill it. So you want to let the budget run through a full testing window, and you want to look at your click-through rate. And the early signals you want to look for is your click-through rate and your add to cart. A creative that is generating strong click-through rate and a lot of add cards but is not getting any purchases means that your page, your product page needs to be fixed. It doesn't mean that the product is dead. On the other hand, if a creative is giving you weak clicks across the board and is absolutely giving you almost no ad cards, that is a signal that the product is not resonating, and then you might want to kill that testing. So what do you do once you get this data? If nothing gets meaningful engagement after your full budget has been spent, that is a direct answer that you need to switch to another product. That is Facebook telling you your product is not worth testing and it's not a winning product. But on the other hand, if one creative clearly outperforms the rest, that becomes your foundation. And then the next move is feeding Facebook more of that winning creative, more angles within that winning creative, more variations of that winner rather than starting from scratch. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you go about testing with a small budget. Just do exactly what I've told you and you are on the right path. As I mentioned, if you're struggling with this or you need some help, every week, I offer a couple of spots for a free one-on-one consultation call. I've opened a couple of spots right now. All I need you to do is subscribe, click the link in the description, book a free call with me. On the call, we'll go your ads, marketing, store, whatever you're struggling with. We're more than happy to help you out. No strings attached. It's just a way of me giving back to you guys for being a part of the channel. With that being said, I hope you found this video valuable. I hope you take this and apply into your ad accounts and into your testing. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one.